Shiv Sena is all set to join the Maharashtra government. Sources say Devendra Fadnavis finalized as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Joining us on the phone line is Arnab Goswami, our editor-in-chief. Arnab, what do you think about this latest overture in the magnanimity of its victory, the BJP trying to get the Sena to be part of the Maharashtra government?
Yes, you see, there was a very clear possibility that was being worked on and this has happened under compulsion for the Shiv Sena, really, because one possibility being worked on was a number of Shiv Sena leaders resigning their positions, MLAs who are elected, resigning their positions, and then after resigning, there would be another election where they could get elected under the BJP. And they were willing to risk that. And so Uddhav Thackeray was looking at the possibility of the Shiv Sena breaking up, which he could not risk. That's point number one. Point number two is that I can also confirm that there has been contact between Sharad Pawar and the BJP leaders. And what I have heard is that Mr. Pawar has communicated to the BJP leaders that he is not against any investigation on the irrigation scam. And that even if that investigation includes, Ajit Pawar, he is not fundamentally against it if it is required as the due process of law. So Mr. Pawar also repositioning himself while he provides the outside support, that as long as he is not affected and, the investigation does not extend to members of his family, immediate family, I'm not including Ajit Pawar, then he will not stand against it. So that means that this government, the external support or whatever you call it of the NCP does not come at the cost of Ajit Pawar not being investigated. So that's a fairly clear message that came. And all this happened overnight, and there was contact established between, you spoke about Mr. Modi and Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, contact also established between Devendra Fadnavis and Uddhav Thackeray, and this truce was reached. So the arrangement we now see is one where the Shiv Sena comes in, they get a few ministries, the NCP supports from outside, and a likely investigation into the irrigation scam is most certain. And the prosecution of Ajit Pawar, if it happens, will not come at the cost of any change in the relationship between the NCP and the BJP. We have Anil Desai on the phone line with us. Mr. Desai?
Yeah.
Good morning. This is Arnab here.
Yeah. Good morning, Arnab.
Yeah. So Mr. Desai, a truce has now been reached, and can you tell us more details of how this will work out, and when you work with the BJP government? Will your ministers also be sworn in, along with the others at Wankhede Stadium? Will it happen in parts? How will it happen?
See, after the primary talks got over, couple of days back, and as promised by BJP top leaders, that it would resume. So all likelihood is that talks would resume today evening or so. And things would be sorted out between Shiv Sena and BJP. As BJP has also came out with the gestures that Shiv Sena's being in the government, how prominent or how important it is. And whatever rounds are being made about NCP's external support and all that, that holds no water, if you happen to see. So truth would emerge, I think, in a day or two. And things would be, considering how things are going and the entire verdict by people of Maharashtra, it is making rounds everywhere now. And it has been taken seriously, and it is noted by BJP stalwarts also.
Yeah. Mr. Desai, when you said that this whole NCP angle holds no water, what do you mean? Because they have said this morning that they will sort of support from the outside. Or not support from the outside, they will abstain in the interest of stability. Could you elaborate on that, Mr. Desai, please?
See, holds no water in the sense, that is according to what statements or what BJP stalwarts, BJP leaders have given vent to their feelings. They have come out with, what will be the repercussions.